What's that? You're looking for a brand new home with high-end finishes? That's across the street from this park and this pond. And this brand new school? And this, Alberta's second largest YMCA. That's also located on this sleepy cul-de-sac. Welcome to Country Meadows, which is a brand new community located right here on the west side of Lethbridge, Alberta. And it's close to all those amenities that I just mentioned. And this bi-level home behind me features 3 beds, 2 baths, and has some incredible features. Now this home here has a layout that I haven't featured on this channel before. And what I really love about bi-levels is that you don't have a floor up above you, which provides you these incredibly tall vaulted ceilings all throughout this main level. And over here is the living room, which features these gorgeous chalet style windows that brings that connection in from the outdoors, whether it's those cozy winter months or those long prairie summer days. Continuing through is your dining room space that leads out to your sliding glass doors onto your future deck space that also has a barbecue line that's ready to go. Now this area over here is a chef's kiss, and this being a Strandville Living master built home, you will have your paneled fridge and paneled dishwasher, which creates a modern and sleek look. And I always call these your hidden fridge and dishwasher. The cabinets also have this wood grain finish paired with these white quartz countertops that also has plenty of seating for those busy mornings or entertaining. However, it's this unique tile backsplash and this attention to detail that makes Strandville Living a premier builder here in Lethbridge. This tile has a brass accent with actual marble throughout the tile that really elevates the space and gives this whole area an extra touch of class. Now just off of the kitchen area is 2 more bedrooms for this level, and right in between is your 4-piece bathroom. Now I know I said earlier that there isn't a second level, but there kind of is. And over top of the garage is the primary bedroom that gives you separation from the other 2 bedrooms and the main living space. Now one of the past biggest complaints about the primary bedroom, or any bedroom really, being over top of the garage is that it's usually a lot colder than any of the other rooms. However, what Strandville Living has recently done is started to spray foam all of the floor joists throughout the home, especially over top of the garage, to keep this area even more well insulated. Now the primary bedroom does have vaulted ceilings just like the main level, as well as a large walk-in closet and your ensuite that features a tiled walk-in shower with dual vanities. But this tour still isn't done because there is a double attached garage as well as an undeveloped basement that has room for another living room, 2 more bedrooms, a bathroom, and your laundry. Thank you guys so much for touring this incredible new listing with me. And if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team. And if you guys like this video and never want to miss another one, hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you want to see more home tours, there's a whole playlist right here.